Good afternoon, I'm Greg Ausburn. I'm the Parks Maintenance Supervisor for the City of Eureka. We're responsible for about 13 parks, the dog park, roughly 1,800 to 2,000 street trees, and about a couple hundred, 300 acres of green space. If it's inside the park, we do everything. We mow, we clean the bathrooms, we stock the bathrooms, we paint, we take care of graffiti, we take care of safety issues with playground equipment. We got 2,000 street trees roughly downtown. We also take care of the parking lots downtown. It's a lot for a small staff, but I think we do pretty well. I've worked for the city about 5.5 years now. I started in December, and so this December will be 6 years. I really like working for the city. I have, my chain of command. They give me a lot of support, and that's very helpful trying to maintain these parks. I'm originally from Georgia. My wife is from McKinleyville. She wanted to move back, so we decided we'd move back here. I miss Georgia, but I like this place. There's a lot of things going on with the parks. We have quite a few renovations going on. We've been lucky enough to secure a couple of grants. Some upgrades that are going on here at Sequoia Park. We have the new space for the 2 to 5 year olds that should be completed here in a couple of weeks. There's going to be some other upgrades in 3 phases that's going to take place here. There's going to be some new restrooms and some new play areas for the kids, so I'm looking forward to that and seeing the people enjoy it. Some of our other upgrades has been Clara Park, which is up by the Humboldt County Library, and there's some other grants that we're applying for 2030. There's going to be some new playground equipment installed over at Cooper. We're applying for a grant there as well. And then down along Waterfront Drive, Halverson's the park down there right beside Sacco. We're looking at installing some new playground equipment down there as well. One of my favorite parks is Sequoia Park. Even though it's in the city, you can come in here and you can almost get kind of lost within the trees and all the nature that's out here. It's very beautiful. I'm not from here, but it's a very beautiful park, probably one of the prettiest ones I've ever seen in my life. We do have some volunteer programs with COVID. We cut that back a little bit, but you can see, you can talk to Lisa or Jeff down at the Adorney Center if you're interested in volunteering. And then there's obviously, as always, some forms and stuff that we have to complete and some rules that we have to go over, but hopefully soon we'll start some of those volunteer programs back. One of the most rewarding parts of my job is probably seeing people enjoy the parks. I like seeing the kids play and the people just using the parks for appropriate use, and this probably relieves a little bit of stress for them, and there's, with 13 parks in the city that we're responsible for, that there's a lot of places for people to go and relax and enjoy their day. I just like to see the people and the citizens and the folks who visit here enjoy the parks. That's the best, most rewarding part for me.